In primetime news this evening, heavy rainfall, wind and flooding as Tropical Storm Grace makes landfall in Jamaica. Residents living in eastern parishes on edge as more rain is forecast into the night. Lights out and no water. Utility companies feeling the brunt of Tropical Storm Grace.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, how prepared were you for Tropical Storm Grace? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.